Hello, it's been a while. Usually I don't actually have to record things, but this is a little complex, so I have to kind of walk through it. This is the website. It has a beautiful thing. It's kind of, it's okay. It definitely needs improvement. I could boop the guy, do a little bit of that. It's great. But what I'm missing was a login system, because what I need to do is to be able to consolidate my Ko-Fi into the subscription on the actual website and then manage everything through here. So I don't even have to bother with third-party services at all. It's all going to be on this bitch. So how does it work? You press login, and I'm not going to be handling the login data myself. I will be going through oauth providers. So in this case, we have Discord, Twitch, and Patreon. You can log into all three of them for your own account. That's not implemented quite yet. I actually only have Discord working, but I will extend it to Twitch and Patreon, and then I'm going to muster together the settings page so I can connect all the accounts together. So no matter what you log in with, it'll log in to the correct overall Sukadia.dev account instead of just, these accounts. But Discord login, I can go through there. It takes a little bit to go to. Sukadia.dev wants to access my account. I fucking trust this little dude, of course. Press authorize. By the way, I'm still a little sick. I apologize. And we got login data. Wow. So what I have here, I don't have anything pretty here. I just literally dumped out what I have on the database of the user because I just wanted to prove that it actually works and it gives the user this data. So you can see that my user was created at April 16th, that's today, at whatever, I think this is UTC, so it's like 7 fucking a.m. or something. That makes sense. Username and email are null, so you might be wondering why we're going straight to settings. My next thing is I need to set up a way so the user can set their username and email. So if you attempt to go to the main page, which is /feed, which will have all the posts and shit on it, it doesn't let you. You physically cannot. It fucking will boot your ass out of there. Same if you're not logged in. I guess I didn't show that, but once you're logged out, you also can't visit these pages. But you're stuck on settings until you set your username and your email. And it also has your oauth account that you connected to. So what this has is my Discord info. So you can see this is my Discord ID right here. This is my Discord username. I manually redacted the provider email, but this would be visible to the user. I just didn't want you to know my email. And then it's got other stuff. I could grab the profile picture and stuff if I download it. And then this is currently inaccurate. I'm still trying to debug that, but this should be the user created date, which for me should be January 2016 for Discord, but for some reason it's 2017. I have to figure out the math there. But yeah, and all that is updated. These are just the database created and updated ads. And it's great. That's cool. I can also log out. And I'm fucking out of there. If I try to go to the settings page again, it sends me to the login page instead. If I try to go to the feed page instead, it sends me also to the login page. I'm literally not allowed to. If I go through the process, it'll give me to the same thing, and it's the same exact data, so nothing's changed here. The only thing that would have changed is actually something that's omitted from the oauth accounts: the access token and the refresh token, which is sensitive data that the client should never ever see ever. So it's omitted here, and it doesn't even show up as a key. My email, again, I manually redacted that. That's not really sensitive information. I'm actually going to show that to the user so they know what connected email they have to their oauth account. But yeah, that's a good looking login system. It actually works. Now, if I had other accounts, I could log into those and it'd create an overall Sukadia.dev account for them, but obviously, I only have the one right now. So the next thing I do need to do, again, I need to figure out the settings page so I can make sure it could set the username and the email. Maybe just the username for now. And then for the email, I'll probably, because I don't want to do email validation right now, I'll probably just ask it to be hey, pick one of your provider emails, which would be fucking your Discord, Patreon, or Twitch linked email, you know, because those are verified. I don't want to, at this point, verify emails from users yet. I'll do it eventually, but not right now. And then you'll be able to actually access /feed. Both of the pages are quite empty right now. It doesn't have fuck all on them, but it's a start, and the login system fucking works. I actually got it. It's cooking. Holy shit. I'm actually really excited. I just have to make shit look good. So I have to go, I've been doing back-end stuff. That's all back-end. I have to go back into front-end web development and figure out what I need to do there. So, yep, I'm gonna log my ass back out and pop back out to the main page, which for some reason is still this page because I think something might have errored. This page is slowing down Firefox. Well, I'll see if that's my problem. I don't think it is, but we'll see. I'll let you know if you're at cicadia.dev/hub for the Discord dev updates. This is where I'm posting that anyways. But yeah, that is the website. Isn't that cool? That's great. You'll be able to log in with whatever the fuck you want. If you trust me with your data, woo! As a aside, the only data I'm allowed to have is literally this and the email. The tokens that I omitted are just ways to refresh that data. Like if I wanted to access this data again, just to make sure nothing's changed, like if you change your username, that's when that would happen. And I'd probably have a refresh button so you can like pull the server to like request it or something, but that's kind of it. Anyways, I'm gonna fucking figure out why Firefox is dying here. We'll see. All right. Cicadia.dev/hub for the Discord for updates to see if this is my fault or not. Bye.